Star Tours 1401, you are cleared for departure. Initiate takeoff sequence.
What?
Auto takeoff sequence initiated.
R2-D2, what's going on here? We are not ready for takeoff. The captain isn't on board yet. You know I can't fly this thing. No, neither can you. We need a proper pilot.
Attention. All transports hold for security clearance.
Stormtroopers will be deactivated for sure.
Hold it right there, Captain.
I'm not actually the captain.
We're looking for this rebel spy. Have you seen them?
No one on this transport could possibly be a spy. Oh dear.
This is the speeder we're looking for. Blast them!
Shields are part two. Where are we going? This is madness! Spartan, don't you dare make the jump to light speed! Now what? Pod race! I always wanted to do this. Hang on, everyone! You ruffian! We'll show him! We've snagged a pod racer, which gives us twice the power! We won! Now come on, pod, and let's get out of here! Watch out! What transmission?
This is Admiral Akbar. By now you know that your star speeder is carrying an agent vital to our rebel cause.
The spy?
Precisely. Deliver them safely to the rendezvous point I am transmitting to your R2 unit. Good luck, and may the Force be with you.
What are you saying? This is madness!
Incoming vessel. Identify yourself or be destroyed.
Destroyed?
Calm down to the control. You'll be safe there.
Thank the Maker! Quickly! R2, send out a distress signal! No! Look out, R2! We nearly hit that Bogungan.
Star Tours, follow the ship. It's gonna lead you through the planet's core.
Any help would be appreciated.
We're picking up some strange readings. Stay close.
Oh dear!
We're under attack! Alert, Star Tours! Use them on your own now!
On our own? Wait! R2, do something! And I thought I hated space travel! Brakes! Brakes! Where are the brakes? What do you mean we broke your ship? You broke our viewport! And I did not give you permission to come aboard. So sorry for the inconvenience. We hope you enjoyed your flight, and we look forward to seeing you again soon. Goodbye!
Please remain seated until the captain has opened the exit doors. You may then unlatch your safety restraints by pressing the release button on your left. Make sure you have all your personal belongings as you exit. Thank you for flying Star Tours. Bye-bye.